Hi, myself Nikhil. I am part of Eminentia Engineering. Uh, this is new technology composite product developed by Eminentia Engineering. Today we are going to do brake test and plumbing test for this product. First I would like to introduce Mr. Venkatesh for doing the brake test.
Hello, this is product. This is torque wrench to set 10 Newton meter. This is go gauge. There is no gap, full butt. No go gauge. There is no full butt cap.
Now, thank you Venkatesh. Now I would like to call Mr. Shiva who is going to do plumbing test for this product.
Hello, my name is Shiva and I am a certified plumber from the Indian Plumbing Association, and this is my certificate. Now we are going to test the new technology composite headwork. We have just finished the brake test. Now we will do the plumber test. We are now tightening the product. Now the product is full tight. The gasket is also now tight. There will be no leakage. Now we will remove this product. On removing, visually there is no damage, but however let us also check with the go gauge to verify this. The product is fully concealed and there is no damage to the thread, nor is there any leakage. We will also check with the no go gauge to see there are no damages to the thread. It is perfect and there are no problems. Let us repeat these steps 2 times to ensure there is no damage to the thread. I am tightening it fully now. It is full tight now. Gasket is also tight. I will remove this product again. Again we will repeat this process by using the go and no go gauge. The threading is absolutely fine as the go gauge answers, and it is perfect. Product does not answer the no go gauge, and hence the product thread is intact and is in a good condition. We will test this again. It is fully tight now. Let us proceed to remove this. Visually, it is absolutely fine. There is no damage to the thread at all. Let us re-verify by testing with the go gauge. The product is fully concealed and the gasket is tight. We will remove this and re-verify this with the no go gauge. So if there is any problem with the threading of the product, it will completely answer the no go gauge, but here we see it does not answer completely. I am completely satisfied with the product as we have extensively used it and there is absolutely no damage. I recommend others to use this as it is very good. Thank you.
Thank you Mr. Shiva for plumbing test. Now I would please note this product. This contains no lead, and this product is food grade product, and this is globally certified for portable water use. Thank you.